that have, please practice your facial expression. So no, ayaw sa do pag yun, yeah, ma'am. Unsa man, ma'am? Yeah, sige, ma'am. Oh, we don't do that. Yung pasyente siya, ano ba, niya? Ano yung po kayo si ma'am or si sir? At times po, please be weary of your vocal cues sa inyong client or social cues ninyo niya. For example, storya siya ng ma'am. Tapos si ano bitaw mo, kailang ko ato mo, ayaw sa tingnan ninyo na, kailang ko ato mo, ano bitaw siya? No, you're not supposed to say that. Hindi na mo sukya na. Instead, remember, you are neutral when you are a responder. Okay? Or facilitator. Do not also say na, I agree with you, ma'am. Tama ka dyan. No, what we do is become neutral. Sa? Neutral. So as much as possible, behave lang kung yung si paginaw lang, tando, o genuinely listen to your client. Okay? So, I do understand, it sounds very technical, and why am I including this? Because it's part of the referral process. Sige. Another one. Confidentiality. What does that mean?
Kuan lang, Dre. Quick question.
Sure.
What if si patient or family member ni patient amo yun ay naka-anxiety mo na siya or na siya gamay, na ako'y depression gamay kay I'm sure nga nagian is mga PHW na mo ingon ninyo ba nag-depression man ko gamay or kanang nag-anxiety ko or kana siya na siya pagkagamay.
Okay,
So
that's
how
good. That's very good. That's very good. So, what do we usually do is we try to separate muna if there's possibility. If now may area that is separate area or cliente. Yeah, so yeah, if there's a possibility, practice sa cliente or pasyente. Isulti siyang tagtungod. Dahil ang nagwatong tungod, lahi-lahi mo storya, mo psychoanalyst sa tagtungod, na ma'am, di ito magiging niya. You give more information. Then focus on intervening with the client. So anyways, muna siya. So, quick lang dili na ito ng part. So, if we have, later no, if we have a gap of time, I'll be endorsing this. I'll also be giving this copy to you. But sige, this is the directory of all we have gathered.